Today we're going to take a look at a very unique and innovative polisher from Batoca. The polisher comes with everything you see here and everything you need for detailing. What makes this polisher different from all the others is it can be rotary or random orbital. And there's two different throws, a short throw and a long throw for your random orbital. It's very easy to change over. Just pull back on the head and insert. The polisher is excellent for detail work and comes with conical sponges, sandpaper, interface pads, different size buffing pads, even some extensions for getting into tight spaces. Also, the batteries are interchangeable with other Batoca tools. The tool tells you how much battery life there is, and there's 4 different speeds. This is the slowest. Next speed. Next. And the highest speed. We'll give it a try around some of these areas that you can easily mess up with a larger, more aggressive buffer. And that's on 2. We'll go for 3. And this is no longer random orbital, it's just rotary. And that worked really well. Now we'll change over to the 12mm long throw for some polishing. The tool is really easy to handle and very light. The Batoca S4 detailing polisher easily exceeded my expectations in every area. If you're looking for a quality buffer for headlights, interior parts, tight areas, and more, this is it. I hope you enjoyed this brief video on one of many great Batoca polishers. If you did, and you'd like to get my latest videos, don't forget to hit the subscribe button.